Yo vaya ahí también, ya de ahora. Buena girl, no. Bien. Oh, vaya to. Pues ako kaya dia tak. Opta. Yo dah capaz terus. Mana apa? What is this? Mana apa? What's that? Me afraid. Must have been afraid of you. Come on. Oh, the blood clot this. I never know Steph London and Spice are fit me. Only can't trick me, no. This Anna Grace Hamilton. This is Michael Jackson's big sister, Grace Jackson. Spice, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Spicy? And this Michael Jackson didn't even say the matter if you're black or white. Spice has a sing like this. Spicy! Let's move from Grace to Lasco real quick. Open our Spice eye them. Spice have jaundice in her eye. Spice look like my mom corner when me eye. Dead for hungry. Wait. The Spice look like the ghost emoji. Spice look like the woman on the idol buckle. Right now, me I'll be honest. More surprised that Spice change her name to Spicy tomorrow. Spice look like me and put like a caramel in your flower. You know see a Siaga big daughter that. Grace Edwards. So Spice, this is how really you want Cartoon and Rampage Chapa do? You know what Spice look like? Spice look like one land crab. Them crab out a hero circle. Spice new album for them from Spice to Rice.
Yo, Chop King. I got a restaurant, man, feet?
Yeah,
What you want?
let me get a oxtail jerk chicken that me feel nice.
White rice?
Rice and peas, I want a white rice.
You want gravy?
Put no gravy for my rice. Put no gravy for my rice.
What kind of drink?
Shut them out and say a damn thing. Just buy orange juice and one thing.
Just one thing?
One thing.
Yeah, I'm going here.
Make sure the food no cool and me a send back. Make sure the rice and peas steam proper.
All the thing for stay.
Make sure the thing tough.
Yo, I'm going here. I'm super man. Yo, Ellie, I did that way you look so.
Fam, come on, uncle. I lick my tongue and spray my uncle.
Anyways, that man got a restaurant, you want the feet?
Sizzle.
What you want? I mean, I beg you, please not sing that.
I mean, no say cartel the deal. And Babylon now give him bail your bogle. Kiva, get me oxtail.
Go, what kind of rice you want? That rice and piece of white rice?
From you know say Jamaica nice. And you now go bleach out like Spice out different. When me want get me white rice.
Go, you want platinum or want this to be my you?
From you know say being the king. And you know say everything we are win yo Jeffrey. I want get me planting.
Go, what kind of juice you drink, brother, big?
From you know say you not play double dose. And a man can't step in your booth, you're different. What me want get me orange juice.
Go, I can't afford all that in my youth.
Nobody tell me say you can't.
Yeah, I'm gone.
Nobody tell
Who that?
Oh, I'm gonna fire
Young Dad, I don't see you.
I'm there, now you're there.
I just see you washing up some plate and praising Jah at the same time.
As usual.
I got some saddish.
You know, someone like to go down in from what
I
you
have too much evil spirits around him. You see, I feel like a bird.
So what you do with me now?
I go up at Adesar and I get the powers to feel evil spirits around me. Yes, I Adesar passion.
Alright.
Now it is road. Go there and ask someone that angel. She will heal you.
That sound like some Obia
Oh,
thing.
yeah. Go
I'm
down.
gonna take myself and go to church now,
What's
buddy.
the difference between a pastor and an Obia man? Now the same man never to. Now the same man pray for you and give man look after him on the
I
side.
mean, when you look on it that way, that makes sense.
You see how this chain? A mother angel give me. You see anytime bad man touch me, the chain just start shoot me.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yes, man, carry a link, man.
Yeah, man, sure, saying I'm not Obia, no, you.
Spiritual healing.
Can't stay long now, we link.
Alright, Aya, we talk. Holy Spirit, hey, Aya.
Oh, church,
Aya. Hey, bad mind.
Our conversation now has expired. If you do me a favor, suck your mother. 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 Our conversation now has expired. If you do me a favor, suck your mother. Suck your mother. Suck your mother. Suck your mother. Our conversation now has expired. If you do me a favor, suck your mother. Suck your mother. Suck your mother. Suck your mother. Suck your mother.
To the hospital.
Everything about you. All the shoes, all the blue shoes we get. Our conversation now has expired. If you do me a favor, suck your mother. Suck your mother. Anyway, our conversation now has expired. If you do me a favor, suck your mother. Eat you over here. Blood clot time expire. Suck your mother. Suck your mother.
What I do today?
It's my day to do anything I want to.
Righteous. The eye going by Rastastan. I want anything to consume.
Yes, I'm an a Rasta man for life.
That's a true.
You know you can't bring me no swine.
That's a true.
So might I'll stew same time. J.
Alright, fireman. So the eye not eat no meat? Nothing at all?
Not eat no flesh, no chicken, no beef, no fish.
Lie, Aya.
Strictly Italian in my dish.
Sure this.
Hope you know that. J.
Ah, boy. So the eye drink Jelly water?
Give me little sour sauce.
Alright. Well, I want to take at least 20 minutes, you know.
20? No, sir. Man hungry. Hungry soon turn to anger. Then anger
She
turn
get
to danger. I mean, no want nobody come and tell him about my temper.
John, Aya. The eye saw Miss Chin. You want to Miss Chin?
Beware. You have a pre-mission shop. Campus.
The eye gone here.
Boss, baby.
my youth. Yo, what my youth? I'm telling you, me hurry up and come, dog.
It's too long for come, brother. Hurry up and come,
Just
dog.
go for come, I think. I'm going to turn back,
But
dog.
anyways, man, that's 100% Addy.
I'm been booked for 100% Addy where you're there. I'm being a miss.
You never tell me that bad breed?
I'm telling you, I say, me say, guys.
Honestly, I wouldn't. You never drive it out. Hurry up and come, dog. Me and wait for you,
Hurry
brother.
up and come, man. So talk to you, man.
Why you ramping me now? Jay, come on, you play them for please.
Mommy, I'm so come.
No, me now wait for it. Come now.
Mommy, I'm so come.
Mr. come right now. Me now wait for it.
I'm so come. Can't me, my talk to
Yeah,
you.
come, mommy. Wait now. We are talking to
Yeah, come.
Tell me I come. Somebody in your eye. No, some have a question for the Jamaican woman them. Matter of fact, I have a question for the Caribbean woman them. I feel like say una the most confusing set of girl them in the world. Because look on this. Uno say uno not like Caribbean man because Caribbean man love get bun. Caribbean man cheat too much. All sorts of fuckery. But yet still, uno love take people man. So how that make sense? Why uno never complain about that? But yet still, uno help that problem there. When you take me from my woman, you know feel say me a cheat. When you take me out of my bed in a your bed, I'm supposed in a my bed with my woman. You know feel like I cheat my girl? You see, at the end of the day, uno the cause of uno own a problem. And then uno want to come blame the poor Jamaican them, the poor Asian them, the poor Trinidad them. Uno the fuckery. Then you have some of uno know we are talk about.
Oh, at 2018, and if a boy not suck my pussy, he can't fuck me.
And then when the man suck on the pussy now, as one of the man catching an argument, the first thing you do is what? Call him suck pussy boy. So how the man have feel one buckler comfortable and name your pussy guy? Oh, that makes sense. That's like a drug dealer a cuss one crackhead say my buy crack. You understand? I mean, I say is not for one no I hear sir.
Yo, Billy, what you do, dog?
I know some of they have me and go through though.
You here from Rami?
Can't tell me ask Mr. Ramina, dog. From one of them you have me the man phone and the man they have me about dog, I swear to
To
you.
me and a dog. The last time Mr. Rami, I went Farmer Brown's son dead, and I bring down 99.
You know some believe it, dog. And what the man's done son dead, you know. I'm still the poor them go for buck, you know.
No, but dog.
Buck, man. Me, big son, man, buck.
Oh, that buck there.
Yeah. And them say them a keep 99 from that. I know see buck.
Every time somebody did the good, them I go missing.
Yeah.
Dog, you want to hear the boy Farmer Brown and talk about Rami rank and ready.
Yeah.
That's why I go left there 99.
How that?
That's all like Farmer Brown.
But man, I say no. Me a moo.
Right, but my man have something going on. Yo, man.
Babe,
Come on, babe.
I want to talk to you about something.
I want to know.
It's not about what you're doing, it's about what you're not doing.
How am I do? Me a pay the bills them. And last but not least, me a pay the bills them. So I do.
That's not what I'm talking about.
So we have about.
I'm talking about how we need to spice up our marriage.
Oh, what this? Yeah, Maggie sees him. What's the price about it?
You know, just think about this, okay?
Yeah.
We're in America now, right?
Yeah.
So, no one will judge you
Judge me if I do what?
if you
If me do what? If me do what?
vagina.
Man, the blood clot this. Man, get a few man a Yankee, man a Yardie, you know. Man a Bob Marley, man a Young Thug.
Okay, what's your point though?
Go point to man and yam them something there. I'm to you.
Okay.
If your pussy can go in a pot,
Whatever,
man and yam that.
Okay,
Yeah,
alright.
like you want to drive home. Boom, buck.
Before you go, you know something?
What?
I will be ashamed if I call it immigration.
You know something? It'll be a shame if I don't eat it.
Exactly.
It'll be a shame.
Yo, check my tower, dog.
Yo, boy, man, I want them, man, tell me some words up.
Brother, you must just kick off that man face all the
What you say to me?
Brother, the ball was fast kick that man face all the Timberland sign for the forward, brother.
Yo, you not saying that. Yo, me you talking, brother. Yo, man,
Yeah,
that's a
brother.
call.
Yes,
Yo,
yes,
you
brother.
know shower, brother. Mumsel.
Hello?
Mumsel, what am I here going with?
What you talk about?
Me say just stab up tall, man.
Jesus Christ, what you say to me?
Yes, stab up tall man, the life support nearly dead.
Tell me some more.
Mumsel, me don't know where I find them. Me say over money, me say over girl, me don't know what you have to call somebody. Call somebody I want Jay, please.
Alright, I call somebody.
No, sir.
Mumsel. Niggas. You know, say just shoot up tall man and kill him.
Jay,
Yeah.
you sure that you there?
So I see me see to me 2 eye there. Just shoot up tall
Now
man.
what you killing for?
But yes, I over low money. Me don't know.
Tell about that room something there, no. Nicky Crum and that hide in a cave like Saddam. That me I tell you.
Well, walk up me that go, I got my you. My girl, yeah, I know how to pretty.
That sound nice, but now open my eye them.
My girl, how to pretty
Listen
like
to me.
wow.
You hear me good? Right now, my ear I'm blind, I'm see I'm blind.
I say yes, dear? No,
that's
sir.
nothing there.
No, me don't like you. Look at my eye
You
now.
don't go look into my eyes. You feel that bounty killer?
My girl, Buju out here, you know.
You
Buju.
put you out there for real?
Yeah, my
Let me
perform.
hear him.
I wanna be loved.
No, so that sound like Buju for real.
So I aim out here at my
Guess
girl.
what? At 10 years, I see Buju. I can do 10 more.
No, me like how you
Nice.
stay. I don't like how you stay. You don't stay
Baby
good.
girl, I come here like a massacre. Me in my darkest glasses.
My girl, I KFC, I give you 2 for 1 zinger out here. Out here
Yes,
nice.
yeah, special out there?
Yeah, out here
Nice.
nice.
Good, me eat from morning. Sorry.
No, sir.
Right now,
Afraid
I'm
of
going to
you.
the groceries.
What me eye now?
Give it. I'm going to have stuff.
You can't want me die.
Look, girl, leave me alone now.
You don't say nothing out here?
People don't want to see nothing but good.
People man out here, you know.
Who out there?
Me say people man out here like, wow.
People, man?
Yes.
So, Mr. Richards, what happened?
Well, you don't know, you know, just down at the airport, you know. Track suit and my Air Forces, you see me? The girl, them love me. Oh, that's something I see. Anyways, so me reach a normal man, you know, so I come from New York, you see me? I see a woman come to me and say, I'm not declare. So me I say, me don't know what declare means. So I tell her, no. By the time I look, one big FD man, one big young suck.
The man go start search me that man find 1.6 on my phone them dog. I tell you say that be 600,000. You know, I tell you, remember say I want to end up getting with that man. No.
So, sir, tell me your experience with customs.
Well, you know, say, me get a look for America, Canada, you know? And me go to work and save some money and send me a send a buy for my family. So, me and the barrel reach the same time. But they see when me got customs.
Customs.
It's okay, sir. It's okay, sir.
What am I Irish Spring on? Irish Spring on the
Living beautiful. Can I get a minute of your time? Because tomorrow, I like to make you my Valentine.
That's cute, but
Eh? Are you man that? Or yourself, man. Them man they soon left you.
he won't leave me.
Tell me, I tell you, say them man they soon left you.
Man will never leave me.
Come here, son of Browning. Just give me your number. Go on, babe. BMs. Are you woman this? Yeah, oh, clot. Hey, girl, you're so wicked. My G, she tell me she's single. Single like we do here, song. And I hear me and say my youth. She show me a picture on her phone and says, "I'm dead, brother." You're dead, brother.
What are you even talking about? You're a lunatic.
Hey, girl, you're wicked. Hey, girl, you know, say this man, and big man is a left man for left. I left you for left.
Wow, you really believe him? Okay.
Hey, guys, tomorrow on Valentine's Day, don't turn to me,
Over something someone's telling you that's a lie?
Oh, yes, man, I'm good. Bump. Let's see, man, so left, man. Give me a number, man, so I can pick you.
You just sabotaged my relationship and you want my number.
Come on, man, I don't want lonely for Valentine's.
Well, that's true. Alright, 917.
Dog, what do you mean if not welcome to Dubai, dog? What kind of question that, brother? I say, you know my book feet, daddy. You look for me, how you, dog? Yeah, as me, I say, dog, Jersey, brother, Quest Lounge. April the 27th. Yo, dog, me I call you about that, because I brother look for me now. Weird, dog, I swear. Yo, my G, y'all look for me so far. You cute, nigga. But what? Nigga, I said you cute, what's up? Dog, you fuck, man. Yeah, nigga, I fuck you. What, you got a problem? You never got blood clot problem. I there, be problems. Oh, no, you know, dog, you know, some you want to tell you thanks still. Yeah, nigga, that's what I thought. Yeah, man, thanks for the compliment, you see me? You really make my day. Pretty ass motherfucker. I like your accent, too. I'm gonna leave, yeah? Man, get your bumper clot out of here. Look at more fine ass dreadlocks, nigga. Watch him. See that boy, yeah? You see that boy, yeah? You want to tell you now? May I come? You know, see the something from my belly? Wait the man, may I forward? Hurry before it dry up, man. Dear Lord, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, you can't save me. You can't put your money in your account and save me. You see them over me? No come here for left a boy. What me I doing in bed? You need to put cocky over principles. Follow me, I beg you do. I beg you to save me because I need saving. Not even NHT need saving like me. Help me, Lord. No man, I'm changing my name from Mumsy to Reggae Tiger. Call me a real man mascot. Watch the boy can do it. Watch everything about the sex right now, I feel it. Oh God, I'm gonna tell you, say, no man, cocky never so good. One man never have so much power over me. It's like my mix with man clown and idiot. No, so I can't tell my friend about this. Watch him. You know what I'm doing now? Watch him look for me. You good?
Me eat here. Me eat you. Don't sit down.
Oh, me
Oh, your baby drink up. Ooh, it's electric. Oh, maybe feel like that. Maybe I move something, like a static shock. Like you work for JPS and you read meter. Lie down, lie down, man, out here. Yeah, man. When you shot me like when God take out jail, you must get it out. And baby, when you jump start the pussy for me, jump start it. Jesus Christ, baby. Baby, no, it's over jump. Baby, no, you're over. Jesus Christ.
You know, some of two going over still because I save my money. For dripping, man. February 17th, what do you mean? Yeah, man, I got Florida, dog. I keep up a hit on the rooftop. A rooftop things, you know. Wait, give me a sec. Babes!
What?
Go inside the door, no man. Here's someone at the door.
Alright, I'm gonna see what it is.
You can't tell them jealous sometimes. Find out and understand the check. Man, dripping, I got the soap. Fuck around the jar. Up this way. Is it
I like you. You're going dead here. You're going dead. This is how I spice for like brown people.
Stop it!
Love trouble people, man. Now we are doing the murder.
Who's we are there?
Jay, I know you look.
Who's want to call you?
You're gonna take my man. She take you from me, Jay.
No sense. If you kill she, how me get my papers and how me give you your papers? Watch her look for me. She know what she doing, she know exactly what she just did. Is that? No, I say if you're good. Yeah, I'm a good man. You good? Alright. Yeah, I'm a good man. Good, my blood clot. You know, see your pussy out for mad me. I them something a mad prince man, you know. I this munga talk about and I'm sang them. I'm tell the girl, man. The girl, you know, see me take her pussy and put it in my back pocket. You know, see me marry the girl. Yeah, I'm not married the pussy, but yeah, she not no papers. Well, me married her and get her papers then. But wait, me not no papers. What me I talk about? No, man, I gotta put a smile on my face like Devin's chocolate, like GST, like you just smile, I idiot, you do, you do. And I make she move in, you know, because she live nowhere. Them girls don't live nowhere, I make she move in, man, that me I gotta do. Samantha!
Yeah, babe?
You wanna live here?
Live here? You mean live here? Like,
you can't live here, no? I mean, yeah,
Yeah, man, you can move in, man. If you want to live here, you can live here.
Live here. I'm gonna live in here. Well, I make you breathe again like Tony Braxton. Go on, my man. Go on. Oh, where you go? Oh, me going to Kemaria. No, yo, you love PPR, little boy. You can't stay here. But, mommy, I must PYH a ban. PYH? PPR hospital. Let's go PPR. Jay and a friend. Yeah, my friend. You just always not the house. No, man, go outside, go play. You're a young boy now. But, mommy, I use some enough to go outside. Me not care what I say, man. You're a young boy and a girlfriend. Mommy, really? You with yourself, man. Child, it's always in here. Jesus Christ. Look, boy! Why not the bread? Me who's supposed to do? Don't feed the bread. Me not buy the bread for the eat it, Jesus. I mean, why not? Look, boy, not eat the bread. When the other bread in here, sit down for 2 weeks and I not eat the bread. Mommy, I use say we not eat the bread. When I make the bread spoil, I'm not giving back my money. What are you say? No. Me and my son live in the house here and I'm here for clean. Because guess what? Me and the maid. Me and mommy, me clean. Me don't want to know. Me and the maid, right? Me and the maid work. Why you complaining if you don't want me help? Oh, see, I tell you, I can't talk in my house now. I can't complain. You know, so the girl in my migrate come foreign change. We not change, you know. We not change big time. And not adapt to this American ideology of things. Imagine, me just the alley next a while ago shop for one shirt for the Sunday rave. I'm see one girl like taste this patty bag. I mean I say taste this patty. You know from when me not eat taste this patty. Remember you know a taste this patty we grew up in a Jamaica and I say bombonade and the taste this cheese. Cause you know I say, I beat her 2 times. I say browning. She said what go on? So I know what a Jamaican girl. So I said do you want a patty now? She said no. I said me buy one for 20. She said no. I said what me can do for get the patty? She said I have to suck her pussy. I said my girl are weird. You're weird. Them Jamaican girl them weird you fuck dog. Me I tell you weird girl them. Me? I'm afraid you fuck. So Jeffrey, tell us what happened. You know I said that in around 2005 still. There one stage show near fully loaded and come on now, let it out. Yeah, so back in them time them was a big elephant man from the Zini. And them time the Pond River Pond back just drop by road they see it. So I see him and I say, yo, Ellie, I get a picture. And then him say, what did he say? Him say shizzle and him spitting on my eye. God. From the time there, he said I'm John Dees. I can't see the John Dees.
I elephant man never spit on nobody. I like Jeffrey, I tell him complain for the simplest of things. How sure me is, I'm 100% true and 100% the precise view. Let me tell you this, them love run joke and talk about my list and talk about my can't tell by the yo, I'm going to make the man spit for you, me hear that. Look at them in your face, may I spit for you? Alright, you see? Now spit.
Hey, babe.
What going babes? Yeah, I'm just a call off making know say I come in late tonight, you know.
Alright.
Yeah man, because I'm and Dino up on the road apart for the whole day.
Wait, with who?
How much Dino you know?
Dino?
Yes, the same Dino.
Dino with a video on Instagram, Dino?
The same Dino was a queer on Instagram. You see both them? Them catch when them swine flu, so both them kind of feel swinish. So I run up and down right now for help both them.
Alright, tell him hi for me.
Dino, I must have to tell you hi. Him say yeah. Yeah man, we'll talk here babes. Love you. Mwah. If you should want to know.
What do you say? You would have now? Ma come now?
Him said they're on the road with you.
With me? Mama, don't cry. Don't cry. Mama, don't cry. You're so man wicked. Rock Smelly.